What is the most important composition technique you should use to create better images? Well, the answer might surprise you because it's not leading lines or the rule of thirds, and I'm going to show you exactly which one is the best using this photo as an example. Now, on this morning, I woke up an hour before sunrise and headed to my favorite marsh at Point Pelee. As I stepped onto the boardwalk with my 20mm lens, I rounded the first bend and the reflection in the water stopped me in my tracks. Now, the water was perfectly still, giving me a mirror reflection of this dead tree over here on the left side, and then the tall reeds stretch out to the right. Now, as the sun began to rise, I realized it was going to come up directly behind the tree, and I couldn't have planned it any better. So I wanted a starburst, so I dialed in F16 and waited for the sun to move into position. Then it happened. The sun slipped perfectly between two branches, and I created this image. How awesome is that? I love it. Now, a lot of students ask me which composition technique is best. So in this image, I used several: reflections, balance, and the quality of light. But here's the thing. The most important technique isn't a single rule or guideline. It's using the techniques that support the story you're trying to tell. Now, I wanted to capture the stillness and beauty of that moment that I saw before me, and the reflection and balance work together to tell that story. So the next time you're out shooting, don't just apply a rule because you think you should. Ask yourself, what story am I trying to tell, and which techniques will help me tell it? If you would like to learn photography faster, join my photography community to get more pro tips and feedback on your photos. Comment community and I'll send you a link.